There's Aspen. Hi, big Aspen. And our Zig. He's one of our new guys today, huh, Ziggy? Having a lot of fun. There's a Maggie. There's our Maggie girl. Yeah.
Tail, Marley. Tail. 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 Marley.
And there's old Sam. Hi, old Sam. Hi, old Sam. And Greta. Hi, Greta. There's Roxy and Hanzo and our new girl Sadie. She's having fun too. Careful. They're a good match, those two right there. Roxy and Sadie. Donatello, come here, let me see you. Hi, buddy. Hi, my waggy tail. Hi, sweetie. I know you're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are.
Sit. Sit, big girl. Yeah.
Annie. Hi, Annie. Hi. Hi, Annie.
Maggie. Maggie. No barking. Donnie, what are you doing? Sit down.
Kona girl. Kona. My Kona girl.
Hey.
Not too rough, you two. I know you like to play rough, don't you? Charlie. My Charlie boy. Where you going?
Hey.
You gonna go that way? Okay. There's Annie. Aspen. Mesa! Come here, Mesa. Mesa.
Hey, big boy.
My Mesa girl. My sweet Mesa. Oh, I love Mesa. Yes, I do. I love my Mesa girl. Yes, I do. Bubba. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubs. I like you, big Bubba.
My
Hanzo.
My niece.
And there's Jet. Annie. Hi, Annie. Hi, sweet Annie girl. And there's Coleman. Hi, Coley. Hi, Coley. You just got a bath, huh, Cole? You look handsome, buddy. You look so handsome. And there's our Tika. Teeks. Hi, Tika girl. Mesa, what are you doing?
Mesa.
There's Tosh and Hurley. Hi, Tasha. Hi, Hurley.
Hi, Charlie.
There's
Hey.
Greta. Greta
Tika.
girl. Hi, Greta.
Oh, Tika girl. Oh, Tika.
There's our Desi. Hi, Desi.
Oh, cool, man.
You found a good place right by the air. It's blowing right on you, huh?
Tika girl. Oh, pretty.
Hi, Sam. We love you, Sam. Hey,
Hello.
you two. Maya, you found a good place over there? There's our Maya girl.
Riley.
She's a new girl.
Riley, boy.
Beautiful Akita.
Hey. Donnie.
Hi, Ziggy.
Donnie.
Hi, Ziggy. I know, Ziggy. I know.
Donnie. Come honey. Hey.
All right. Having fun. You puppies. Bye, Greta. See ya.